Hello and welcome to the Code of Conduct, the podcast where we explore the human side of technology. I am your host, Rutvik, and today we are diving into a topic that's less about algorithms and more about atmosphere, organizational behavior in the tech world. And to help us unpack this, we have special guest joining us today. Here in the trenches, writing the codes that powers our digital world. Please welcome Aniket, a full stack developer at Parascat. Aniket, thanks for being here.
Hey Ritvik, thanks for having me. Happy to be here.
Great. So, Aniket, we hear a lot of buzzwords in the corporate world, and one that's getting a lot attention is psychological safety. From your perspective as a developer, what does that term actually mean?
That's a great question because it can sound a bit fluffy. For me, it boils down to one simple thing. Can I take risks on this team without feeling insecure or embarrassed? It's the belief that you won't be punished or humiliated for speaking up with ideas, questions, concerns, or most importantly, mistakes.
So it's not just about being nice to each other.
Exactly. It's not about avoiding conflict or tough conversations. It's about creating an environment where a junior developer feels safe enough to tell a senior developer, hey, I'm not sure. I understand this approach. Can you explain it? Or even, I think I might have found a bug in your logic. Without that safety, people just stay quiet.
And when people stay quiet in a development team, what happens?
That's when things go wrong. Innovation dies. For one, no one will suggest a new, better technology or creative solution if they are afraid of being shut down. But more practically, bugs get missed. If I am working on a feature and I'm stuck, but I'm too scared to admit it, I might waste a whole day struggling alone. Or worse, I might ship code I'm not confident in. In a safe environment, I can just say in the team that, hey, I'm hitting a wall with this API call. Can someone take a quick look? And the problem is solved in 10 minutes.
That makes perfect sense. It's about efficiency and quality, not just feelings. So, how do you build this kind of culture? Does it have to come from the top? How?
It is the most powerful when a team lead or a manager champions it. For example, a great leader will model vulnerability. They might say in meeting, I was wrong about my initial estimate for this feature. It's more complex than I thought. When the team sees the leader admit a mistake, it gives everyone else permission to be human too.
Are there any other practical things a team can do?
Absolutely. Another big one is how you handle failure. When something breaks, and in development, things always break. The question should never be who did this. It should always why did our process allow this to happen, and how can we prevent it next time. We call this a blameless postmortem. It shifts the focus from blaming a person to improving the system. This encourages people to be honest when they make a mistake instead of trying to hide it.
Blameless postmort. I like that. It sounds like psychological safety is less of a soft skill and more of a strategic tool for high performing teams.
Yes, you have it on the head. At Parascat, the teams that innovate the fastest and produce the most reliable code are the ones where everyone feels heard and respected. Psychological safety isn't nice to have, it's the foundation for agile development and continuous improvement. It allows the team to learn and adapt at high speed.
Fantastic insights, Aniket. So, to sum up it, psychological safety is the freedom to be vulnerable, which in turn unlocks a team's ability to innovate, solve problems faster, and produce higher quality work.
Yes, exactly. It's the unspoken code of conduct that makes all written code better.
A perfect way to put it. Aniket, thank you so much for your time and for sharing your experience with us today.
My pleasure with you.
And that's all the time we have to for this episode of the Code of Conduct. Join us next time as we explore another key element of the modern workplace. Until then, keep the conversation going.